is Taffy, and today we're going to read our book on a called In the Rainforest. A warm, wet world. Imagine air that is thick with warmth and wetness. Birds chirp and monkeys chatter. Long leafy vines twist around trees. Colorful flowers look up and try to see the sun peeking through the branches of tall green trees. What is this place? It is a rainforest. Rainforests are like other forests because they are filled with trees and plants. But rainforests are different in one special way. They are very wet. Most rainforests get a lot of rainfall. They are also warm most of the time. In this way, trees and plants stay colorful and healthy. Rainforests are called tropical rainforests. Other rainforests are wet too, but for more reason than rainfall, they get a lot of water from fog and the most air that comes from nearby ocean. Rainforests like this are called temperate rainforests. They are not as warm as tropical rainforests, but they do not get very cold either. Where are they? Tropical rainforests are found near Earth's equator. Temperate rainforests are found near coasts. They are farther north and south of the equator than tropical rainforests. The largest tropical rainforest in the world is called the Amazon rainforest. It is in South America. More than 1/3 of all the world's plant and animal species live in the Amazon rainforest. It is so full of life that about 50,000 different kinds of plants, 1,800 different kinds of fish, and 1,200 different kinds of butterflies live there. There are so many plants and animals in the Amazon rainforest that we still do not know all those that live there. About 1/4 of the world's temperate rainforest is found in British Columbia and Canada. This rainforest is very old. Some trees have been living there for 2,000 years. Trees keep growing at their lives, so the oldest trees in this rainforest are very large. One brick tree is 312 feet tall. One fir tree is 40 feet wide. That means that this fir tree is as wide as 10 of your friends lying end to end on the ground. There are 3 layers of life in a rainforest. The first layer is called the rainforest floor. It is dark, wet, and soft. This is the area along the ground where many insects live. Next comes the understory. It is cool and dark. Small trees and shrubs grow there. Butterflies and some small animals live in their understory. Finally, there is the canopies. This is the top of the rainforest tall tree. Many birds and snakes live in the canopy. Animals of the temperate rainforest are mainly the same as animals you would find in the woods. Black bears, elk, beavers, and raccoons are just some of these. Tropical rainforests are filled with jungle animals instead. There are monkeys, tree frogs, snakes, and jaguar deer. Birds of all kinds and colors fill the tree. Insects as big as your fist buzz through the air. Even though rainforests are home to so many plants and animals, people of the world have been chopping them down for years. They use the land for farms and buildings. They use the tree for wood, paper, medicine, and more. These things are important, but our rainforests are important too. Many of our rainforests are gone forever. We need to protect the rainforest we have before it is too late. And that's the end of In the Rainforest, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you next